So what if the government could take away your money, your car, even your bank account without a single court hearing? Welcome to Nigeria's 2025 tax laws. And yes, it's on pages of the law right here. Number 1, you're guilty until proving innocent. Let's say you file your taxes and the tax office thinks you're underpaid. Section 35 of the Nigerian Tax Administration Act lets them decide how much you owe. Their number becomes law. And now you have 30 days to prove them wrong. Miss it and you're guilty by default. Ordinary Nigerians are suddenly fighting battles they cannot afford against a government that cannot be wrong. Number 2, your stuff isn't safe. Section 61 lets tax officers seize movable properties, that is cars, cash, inventory, bypassing the court entirely. Within 14 days, these things can be sold. And the only thing that they cannot do is sell your land or building without a high court order. Past judicial rulings have shown that this violates the Constitution, yet it stays. Your home, office, warehouse, all of it is not safe. Number 3, they can raid your bank accounts. Even your bank account isn't safe. Section 60 lets officials appoint your bank or anyone holding your money as their agent. Section 52 indemnifies your bank and forces them to comply. You cannot sue the bank. Your accounts can be drained while you still try to argue that you do not owe a dime. This is financial kidnapping that has been legalized. Number 4, militarized enforcement. Section 62 authorizes tax officers to break doors, windows, anything that's in their way, and police can assist them. Compliance is enforced by force if needed. This is not auditing, this is intimidation and militarized tax collection. Number 5, pay to play justice. Want to appeal an assessment from the tax office? Then you first have to pay half of the disputed amount. Section 7 of the Joint Revenue Board Act says no prepayment, no hearing. You cannot pay and then your appeal dies. Just imagine you owe 20 million naira. You first have to pay 10 million naira so that the judge will hear you say that you do not owe 20 million naira. And the courts have struck this down before in the case of Joseph Dowdu versus FIRS Investment Holdings. Yet, the new tax law codifies it anyway. Number 6, asset freezing. The government can freeze your assets on mere suspicion. Section 4 allows them to trace, freeze, or seize funds without verification. Your money, your business, your property, all of them are vulnerable. This is preemptive punishment masquerading as law enforcement. And finally, this law offers little to no protection. There is a tax ombudsman that you can complain to. However, Section 36 and 41 only empowers them to mediate. This means that they are powerless in reality and they cannot stop seizures or arbitrary assessments. Protections exist on paper but vanish in practice. These laws turn ordinary Nigerians into targets. Bank accounts frozen, businesses seized, assets taken, all legally. Courts have pushed back and now it's your turn to fight back. Visit www.rejecttaxscam.com and keep talking before it's too late.